Hello guys, it's Mina here on A Heart for Plants. I just wanted to come in and talk a little bit about my Hoyas. This is my Hoya Crimson Queen, my Hoya Crimson Princess, and then this one, I'm not quite sure of the name. I know it until I don't know it. I know it until I need to know it. So I just want to come to you and talk a little bit about care. So these Hoya for me sit in a north-facing window and are watered. Oh, okay, that's damaged, not mealies. Okay. They sit in a north window, and they live in terracotta. Well, both of these live in terracotta. My Crimson Queen is actually still in her nursery pot. So for the basic care for Hoya, I've noticed that, they like bright light, but they also want to be dry. So I'm watering them about every 10 to 14 days. I touch the leaves, and if the leaves don't have that stiff cardboardy feeling, then I don't water. And until they seem almost papery, that's when I water. And yeah, let's see, normal household temperatures, they're not really big on humidity. I haven't seen where the amount of humidity I'm giving these varieties have made a big difference. I know that they like to be root bound before they flower. I have not had them flower before. And yeah, they like to be a little bit dry, and honestly these are some of my favorite. I've been looking for a Hindu rope Hoya. So if anybody has the scoop on where I could find one of those, let your girl know. And so a little bit about what's been going on in the life of Vad. So things have been started out pretty well, and then my blood pressure just kind of got out of whack, and I started low flowing, which means that my blood pressure's high. And let me show you. Look at my pretty Crimson Princess. I pulled my heart made out. Okay, so let me see. This is my heart mate. So we tinkered with the speed of my pump, and it didn't go well. We had to turn it back down. And then, so as you can see, my flow is low at 2.7. I should be around 3.7, and my PI is high. So that means my blood pressure is running up pretty high. So what the team wants to do, I have a lovely doctor and a wonderful team, and what my team wants to do is start me on maybe more blood pressure medicine. I've gone up on one, and yeah, so see where we go from there. We've talked about a flow controller, which will stop the beeping, and so if we can control my blood pressure and it stops, then we're all good. But if we can't, then I need the low flow controller. So there's that, and it looks like we are on the road to transplant. I just need to be 2 more months nicotine and marijuana free, but we are checking around to see if I am able to at least do edibles to help with the stress and my blood pressure. So we'll see about that. A little bit more about my Hoyas. So the difference between the Crimson Queen and the Crimson Princess is the Queen wears a crown. So as you can see, the white variegation is around the leaf. Some of them come out all white, which is gorgeous. And then for the Crimson Princess, the princess wears a gown. As you can see, her variegation runs down the middle. And that one's all green. So you need to get her, I think it's closer to a window to make her variegation pop out, but her newest leaf has some pretty good variegation on it. And yeah, so that's what's been going on. And right now my Hoya Crimson Queen is acting just like a queen. Look how pretty she is. Oh, look at that dirt on the floor. Dang cat. But I just wanted to check in with you guys and post a quick video. And if anybody else has any tips or tricks when it comes to Hoya, let me know. I'm pretty new to the Hoya gang. Ooh, ooh. Well, thanks for stopping by, you guys. Have a good day. Enjoy your weekend.